Thinking about getting a wood-burning stove? In this video, we'll tell you everything you need to know to make the right choice and enjoy your stove safely. We'll discuss the different types of wood stoves, the advantages of each type, and how to install them correctly. We'll also give you tips on maintenance and safety so you can enjoy your wood stove for years to come. Stay tuned and discover everything you need to know for a warm and cozy winter. Choosing the right wood stove starts with the right heating capacity. This is a crucial step to make sure your house is heated comfortably and efficiently. A good rule of thumb is that you need about 1 kilowatt to heat 10 square meters in a well-insulated room. This means that for a room of 30 square meters, you need a wood stove of about 3 kilowatts. Don't forget, the better your insulation, the less power you need. Good insulation can help you save energy and make your home even more comfortable. So always consider the insulation of your home when choosing a wood stove. Modern wood stoves are designed for efficient long-term heating. With features like air control and double combustion, you can burn less wood for longer while being kinder to the environment. Safety first. Keep at least 30 to 50 centimeters distance from walls and furniture. Make sure you have a heat-resistant floor plate, and don't forget to have your chimney cleaned annually. Use dry, well-split wood with a moisture content of less than 20%. Hardwoods such as oak and beech burn longer and give off more heat. A properly working flue is essential. Make sure it is at least 4.5 meters high, well insulated, and kept a safe distance from flammable materials. With the right preparation, you can enjoy the warmth of your wood stove safely and efficiently. Make sure you are always well prepared so you can fully enjoy the cozy warmth. Also, don't forget to have your chimney checked by a professional in time. This way, you prevent problems and you can enjoy the cozy atmosphere at home without worry. Thanks for watching. Hopefully, we were able to tell you everything you need to know about wood stoves.